Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Pinterest account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in into your Pinterest account. Now on the screen, you can see options like Home, Search, Create, Inbox and Saved. Go to Saved. Now on the top left corner, you can see a user icon. Tap on it. Then you can see options like Account Management, Profile Visibility, Home Feed Tuner, etc. You have to go to Account Management. Under Account Management, at the end you can see Delete your data and account and Deactivate account. To delete your account, you have to tap on Delete your data and account. Once you do that, select the Continue button halfway through the screen. Now, you have to select the reason that you're leaving Pinterest. I'm gonna select Order, then tap on Send Email. Once you do that, they're gonna send you an email. Then all you have to do is follow the steps that's given by Pinterest on your email. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete a Pinterest account on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.